Dr. Ramadan Ibrahim, first of all, congratulations on a wonderful edition of the Healthcare Future Summit. I would say you're the architect of this event. What inspired you? What was the idea behind it?
Thank you very much, Aisha, for that. Actually, inspiration comes from our leadership. We are looking for what is good for Dubai. And when we thought about what is good for Dubai in public health, we could never find such a better event like this. Is that for me, I call it as a festival. You collect best minds, best thinkers, best decision makers, exhibitors, doctors, patients in one place. It's not going to be easy, but we did it today.
In terms of the content, it's very diverse. Let's look at this one where it's the first Vaccination and Infectious Disease Summit. Prevention, that's a future in Dubai. Tell us a little bit more about this program.
Well, the word public health, it doesn't say private, it say public. So basically, our concern is the population as all over. This one was basically talking about three aspects. One is vaccines, one is infectious disease, and lastly is the school. These are part of the category of the community, which we have everybody in every house. There is someone from those categories. So when we talk about the vaccine, we know that what happened as a head of COVID, but it had good effects and bad effects. So the population, a lot of people, they lost belief in vaccination, and others, they came other way around. They believed more in vaccination. So our insight today was, let's talk about it. Let's see what's happening around from development, from latest vaccine. Also with the advancement of AI, how we can use technology in helping us in public health issues, specifically in the vaccine, specifically in the infectious disease, because it's a widespread. We've been hearing a lot of rumors and ideas and thoughts that something else is coming. So we need to be ready from now. So preparedness is not something easy. This is a platform where we're going to talk about these, discuss them, and come up with new ideas.
I know the Dubai Health Authority, they're very much pro a future that is value-based healthcare, preventative healthcare, precision medicine, and so forth. Just you as an expert yourself and a leader in healthcare, what kind of future do you want to see in the United Arab Emirates?
Our slogan is very, very simple. How to make the society happy. So when you talk about happiness, you don't talk about only education separately, health separately, economy separately. It's a combination of all of these together in one place. So what we are focusing to be, how to make sure that the people, we deliver to them the right message in health, how we educate them, how we use the research and make sure that the delivery is optimum based for every society here. We use the word equity for them. Let's not forget as well mental health. Mental health issues today, we need to address them clearly that there is a mental health issue. Yes, of course there is a mental health issue globally. So we cannot say that, we cannot forget this one or say this is something simple. No, we have to address this one. That's why we wanted to shed light on these aspects today in this conference.
Let's say you go to sleep today, you wake up tomorrow, and one thing in healthcare has changed. You just do a click and it's changed for the better. What would you like to change overnight if you had the power?
Equity. Very simple. I would like everybody to get everything in health.
Yeah.
Treatment, awareness, get vaccines, get the best healthcare support, not forgetting the different elements. You have kids, you have people, elderly, you have people of determination. So equity is talking about all of these categories and beyond.
Dr. Ramadan, so AI is a hot topic in healthcare conferences at the moment. I have one question for you. Is AI going to replace us all?
Never. AI is basically going to help humans how to make their life easier. But yes, jobs will change. So you have to think about the new generation, what field they have to be studying, what field they have to specify. Yes, some jobs will disappear completely, but new jobs will appear. AI is a tool to help us to make the healthier society and happier.
Now, I know I've seen you in presentations before and conferences before where you've mentioned, look, it's either you embrace AI and get ahead or you don't, right? And those who will not really get into the technology or not really learn, those are the ones who will probably, not do well in the future. What advice do you have to future generations who want to get into healthcare, the future, Emirati youth who maybe are excited by AI but don't know how to bring AI into health? What advice do you have?
I can say it in a different way. It's a train and there's one last stop. You either have to hop in and take that train to the future, or you have to stay and wait for a train coming, and after that there is no more train coming.
Exactly.
So this is up to you. Our advice to them is that the generation needs to be led, needs to be taught. So we need to guide them, yes, but we need to give a space for them to think with us. They're not anymore young and they don't know anything. They are very smart. They know how to reach out. Even the media communication around us is getting different, so we need to involve them from beginning.